STTK Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I've been looking at Shattuck Labs. That's a great name, but it is almost 4% down today. Well, I've done well over 39,000 videos, more than anyone else in the space, and I documented all that on this YouTube channel. Generally speaking, I'm not saying this is gonna keep melting down, but what I'm saying is that the probability that this will go down is high. I'm taking this with the scientific approach, you know, I've common factors analyzed 39,000 videos that I've done on my YouTube channel. Not taking what people are telling me monkey see, monkey do. Actually taking that, testing it, and then seeing if it works or not. And then over time of 5 years, refining what's working for me after testing all these strategies. Because, man, I've invested 5 figures in courses and mentors that you don't have to. With this instance, it's a bearish range. I'm really just not gonna... Yeah, we're sitting here, you know, so if I see a full candle close above 135, yeah, then solid. I mean, again, it's very subjective, but how do I play this is maybe if there's like a confirmation, and then this might be like a great clean sell. Other than that, randomly selling, it's just not gonna be me, honestly. So I will continue to keep you updated. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.